Assalamualaikum guys, welcome back to my channel. This is the third video of React Native tutorials. In this video I will tell you about the flex, what is the flex in React Native, and why we use and how we can use, and more about flex and use, and also styling. Let's start. First of all, we will use inline styling for the time being. After some videos we will use style sheet styling, and I will tell you how to use style sheet, but in this case I am using inline styling for my video. Let's start. First of all, I use style. In style we will equal style, and in style we will give an object of style. I will give the background color red. Here you can see our view is taking this place only. If I increase the number of text in this, its height and width also increase. But if I want to give the whole place of screen to only this view, how I can give this? How I can do this? First of all, we will use flex, and we will give the property flex and give the value 1 2 3 4 5. We can use any value which is the only integer. I am using 1. Flex 1 means we are giving the whole screen width and the height to this view, because we are using only one flex, and we are giving whole space to this view. In case we are having two views, and I can give I want to give equal space, then how we will do? We will use this technique, and we will use flex. I am using two views with one is the text, and here is the first view. I save. I am getting this. Okay, this is the first view, and second one is this. It's the second view. I will change this text to second view. Okay, as we save, we will remove this background color. Okay, I give the flex 1 to main view, which is the parent of these two views. Okay, now I want to divide its place, which is the whole screen, into two views. This first one is this, and second one is this. Okay, so we will use style component, style attribute, and give flex 1 to only first view. If I use flex 1 only for the first view, then we can see it's taking the whole place, and second view is in the bottom of the screen. If you want to check, you can give the background color. I am using aqua color for the first view. Here you can see it's taking all the place except this. Okay, I am using here, sorry, using this background color. Here you can see the second view is only taking this place. Okay, but I want to give the equal space, so we will use flex 1 for this. Here we can see we are using flex 1 and 1 2. In main parent we are using two flex 1, and we will count 1 and 1 2, and we are dividing whole screen into two pieces, and I am giving one piece to it and second piece to it, two second views. Okay, if I want to give the two part of screen to first view and only one part to second view, it's mean 33% to second view and 67% to it. So I will use 2. It's mean I am using I am dividing the this view into 3 pieces, 2 plus 1 3, and I am dividing in 3 pieces and giving 2 pieces to first view and 1 piece to second view. And if I use 1 and I am dividing into 2 pieces and giving the equal height, and if I use 2 in second view, and you can see it's 30%, it's 33% to I am giving 33% to first view and 67% to second view. And if I use 3, it's mean I am dividing the whole screen into 4 parts, 1 plus 3 4, and giving 3 parts to second view and only 1 part to this. And as it is, I am using 5 and giving 5 parts to this and 1 part to this, and I give the 5, I am dividing into 10 pieces and giving the equal. It's mean we can use 1 and 1. It's the simple. It's the main concept of flex. If you are using Expo or React Native, you can use same logics. If you are having an application in which you want to divide your screen into different parts, so you can use flex. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel and thumbs up.